Welcome to StoryMagic TV, where every story is a journey into a world of wonder and enchantment. Today, I bring you a tale of bravery, wisdom, and love, featuring the one and only Lord Krishna. Once upon a time in the idyllic village of Vrindavan, there lived a young boy named Krishna. But Krishna was no ordinary boy. He was the incarnation of Lord Vishnu, born to rid the world of evil and spread the message of love and righteousness. Krishna's flute had the power to mesmerize everyone. Humans, animals, even the trees and rivers danced to his tunes. But it wasn't just his music that made Krishna special. He was known for his mischievous nature, his love for butter, and most importantly, his divine wisdom, which shone even in the simplest of moments. One day, as Krishna was playing near the river, he noticed the villagers gathered in worry. They were anxious about the raging serpent Kaliya, who had poisoned the waters of the Yamuna River, threatening their lives and livelihood. Without a moment's hesitation, Krishna, the ever-courageous, decided to confront Kaliya. He knew that only by facing the serpent could he save his beloved Vrindavan. With a calm heart and a determined spirit, Krishna walked towards the river, ready to take on the mighty Kaliya. Krishna leaped into the water, and with a swift movement, he climbed onto Kaliya's hood. The mighty serpent, taken aback by Krishna's bravery, thrashed and coiled, trying to shake him off. But Krishna, calm and composed, began to dance on Kaliya's many heads, his feet glowing with divine light. As Krishna danced, the serpent's anger melted away, replaced by submission and awe. Kaliya, realizing the divinity of the boy, finally surrendered. He begged Krishna for forgiveness, and with a gentle smile, Krishna spared the serpent, asking him to leave the Yamuna forever. The villagers watched in amazement as Krishna emerged from the river, victorious and unharmed. They rejoiced, knowing that their beloved Krishna had saved them once again. The Yamuna was restored to its pristine beauty, and peace returned to Vrindavan. And so Lord Krishna, with his wisdom, courage, and compassion, not only defeated the evil serpent, but also taught us all a valuable lesson. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey. Don't forget to subscribe to StoryMagic TV for more enchanting tales. And remember, there's a new story waiting for you every day. Until next time, may the magic of stories always be with you.